Today I am talking about Nodepay Airdrop, which is listing on Bitget in January 19 and January 6. You can just how to join. I will tell in this video how to join you in Nodepay wallet. So simply you come in my telegram channel link in my description, and just click in this link, and you find this interface, and just type your email, username, new password, confirm password. This is my refer link, and click it this button, and human verification, and you have done. This is and just click and register, and you have getting some mail in your some verification mail in your email box. So this is a simple and registering, sign upping. So then if you have any laptop or PC, you can just go in your PC and just type Nodepay Chrome extension, and you can download add your in PC. And if you haven't anything laptop or desktop, you can just open Play Store and search Nodepay and open it. This is where which is you just creating the account of Nodepay. You are just login in this Nodepay app. You can and simply continue from there. You have this interface in your Nodepay wallet, and you can get this 8 blocks, and you can just claiming this every 8 hours or 1 hours. You can get 75 for each block. You can get 75 for each block, and you can claim it. Your maximum claiming 8 block. This into 75 into 8 you can do. And you have there is daily tax and daily treasury claim and other things. You just look at here, and your refer program where you can go just refer your friend and get. This is only for 6 days from today. This is the last video of this year, and you can get you have just getting tomorrow in January 1. You can just getting 10 for every successful 100 for every successful point, and 10th you can successfully 100,000. You can just getting like that. You refer, and their mission, you have to complete this mission from your telegram, and from your you can get this on your Chrome browser. Open in Chrome, and you can just do those taxes. You can just do those tasks, and this is in your activity section. And there is a email verification, connect your wallet, and there is confirm your wallet. This is the simple task you can do, and you can just getting this, and this is only tax you can do, and get more points and more airdrop. This is there is only supply was 7 million 1 billion. They are just raising fund out 7 million, and you can just claim and get big airdrop in 2025. This is the biggest airdrop you can get in 2025. If this project hit 1 billion, and then you get 1 billion, 2 billion, I don't know. This is the bull cycle, and every 4 years getting this bull cycle, and getting this is the bull rally. So you can just get into this Nodepay app and earn some money for your future. Okay, thank. This is the funding raised from this Nodepay. You can see here IDG Capital, Mythos ventures partner. Those are the their ventures partner for this project. So you can just see and how this big on the this going to be. And there is others big ventures partner for this uh, uh, project. So you can just join this project and get better airdrop for future. Okay, thank you for watching, guys.